Well, good Wednesday afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets got a little excited today. We saw some short covering, I guess, in corn and wheat, in crude oil, some of the markets that have seen the most short activity over the last few days. Some of the buying was sped up here in corn today by Informa's October crop report. They did reduce their yield estimate for corn, but that number was still a bushel and a half higher than USDA's September number. But they also reduced the planted and harvested acreage numbers, and that was seen as somewhat supportive to the market. Traders have ideas that maybe USDA will do the same thing in their report next week. So did help lend some support in the corn market today. Wheat followed suit. We did see strong buying in crude oil today after the dollar traded sharply lower today in a corrective move once again. And the Dow finished its second day higher, closing up over 100 points. So all in all, a good day here for the commodity markets. Livestock futures stronger as well. Tomorrow morning we'll get the weekly export sales figures out at 7:30 a.m. Expected to see some decent purchases now with cheaper prices that we've seen. So we'll see what happens in that report tomorrow morning. Here at the close tonight, we had D's corn up 17 3/4 at 605 1/2. March up 17 1/2 at 618 1/4. November soybeans up 3 3/4 at 1163 3/4. January beans up 3 3/4 at 1175 1/2. December cotton up 0.43 at 102.30. December wheat in Chicago up 21 1/4 at 625 1/4. Kansas City December up 13 1/4 at 699 3/4. Minneapolis D's wheat up 13 3/4 at 876 1/2. We'll see what happens tomorrow, if we get any carry through or not, but the moving averages, the RSIs, everything may be starting to turn back higher again. We'll see if we get any follow through. Have a good evening.